The General Medical Council examination, commonly referred to as the GMC examination, assesses whether medical graduates possess the knowledge, clinical skills, professional behaviors, and decision-making abilities required for safe medical practice in the United Kingdom. TerraLeap's GMC preparation content covers major clinical systems including cardiovascular, respiratory, gastrointestinal, renal, endocrine, nervous, musculoskeletal, reproductive, mental health, acute care, and geriatrics. These resources are suitable for international medical graduates, doctors planning to practice in the United Kingdom, candidates preparing for licensing assessments, repeat candidates, and learners seeking structured clinical revision. Candidates should confirm their eligibility, medical qualification, English language requirements, professional experience, and registration pathway according to current GMC guidelines. TerraLeap supports GMC preparation through multiple choice questions, clinical case studies, flashcards, medical calculations, detailed explanations, system-wise practice, and structured test series. TerraLeap's GMC test series includes subject-wise assessments and full-length mock examinations to help candidates identify knowledge gaps, improve time management, and build examination confidence. Begin your GMC examination preparation with TerraLeap. Explore structured resources on TerraLeap.com and take the next step towards your medical career in the United Kingdom.